During the biomanufacturing process, you need the right data at the right time from your suppliers, so you can make important production and supply chain decisions. However, your access to this critical data may be antiquated, slow, or even non-existent. It's time to join the eData movement. Introducing the eMERGE program, our standard integrated platform for the exchange of electronic data. It provides product quality data in a machine-readable XML format in compliance with ASTM standard E3077717 and is offered for every raw material or component shipment so you can make informed decisions right away. The eMERGE program integrates seamlessly with most analytical tools, including our Bio4C process pad, providing data aggregation, analytics, process monitoring, and visualization capabilities instantaneously. The platform provides a strong foundation to digitally improve quality and supply chain efficiencies. This all results in eliminating errors, reducing process variability, improving process efficiencies, and enabling next-generation biomanufacturing. Join the eData movement and bring your facility into the digital age with the eMERGE program.